Welcome back to the channel Invest in Yourself YouTube. My name is Cameron, and today this has been highly requested to cover some more video on the Very Good Food Company, but that's not the reason why I'm making another video. And this is like the third day in a row that I made a video for updating the channel, but I had to release some new information. Came out a couple days ago about the Very Good Food Company, about some of their distribution and some of paying off some of their short-term and long-term debt. This is going to be a short video, YouTube. Just let me know what you think down in the comments if you want me to keep on covering any videos on VRYYF, the Very Good Food Company. Comment down below, maybe like, if we can get at least a couple likes, I'll keep on getting information as it seems fit and when it comes out, and I'll give it to you as fast as I can. And again, thank you so much for coming to the channel, and let's start. So right now, some new information came out a couple of days ago, and looking at the Very Good Food Company, they basically in a new distribution agreement with the UNFI Canada to distribute their line of the Very Good Butcher's line products across Canada, and first focusing on the East Coast. So YouTube, this agreement represents a significant milestone for the company because if we look at it, UNFI Canada is a subsidiary of United Natural Foods, which is the largest publicly traded wholesale distributor in North America. So this is huge because what this means is as soon as they started getting completely outfitted in Canada, they're going to start pushing a lot of this wholesale of the company and their products into America, and that's just the first step. We need to start with this plant-based product and getting a lot of their margins above what they're at. I think today they're sitting at about $140 million market cap, and that's been increasing like 13 to 14% over the last week. As we can see in this 5-day span, it's been all the way at the low $20s, and I think it was around $115 market cap. And by the end of the day Friday, we're already at almost $141 million market cap. So this company is growing fast, and UNFI, the distribution company they had, has expected annual sales of around 21 billion USD and 40,000 retail partners and 10,000 suppliers. So this the Very Good Food Company is dealing with a big distribution partner, and this is going to open up a lot of new doors for the company overall. And this is just getting them expanded into East Coast of Canada and starting the United States. So, and under the new agreement, the company will be sending its first shipment of product to Eastern Canada within the coming weeks, and officially expanding its retail distribution across the entire country. So the company is also pleased to announce that significant increase of the number of points of distribution within its existing wholesale, and they're overall now looking at partnerships at 275 stores across Canada and a couple in the U.S. And with UNFI now, this represents a increase with 34% above the previous reported figure in July 2020. And another point I wanted to cover here, YouTube, just going through this article, is the debt settlement agreement. Looks like they end up getting some of their short-term debt off of their book, and they end up issuing some common shares of capital, debt shares to this company as an issuance price of $2.13 debt share, and is end up paying some of this $130,000 to this media group, Axe Communications and Marketing, to get some of the short-term debt off of their balance. So this is a good thing. They're freeing up debt, and then they're going to end up having more cash flow to end up putting it back into the product and building out their balance sheet overall. But I really wanted to make this video today overall to show you just a couple of news, especially the distribution. And they're going, filling out Canada, and they're going to start getting into the U.S. and then paying off some of this debt settlement and freeing up a lot of more liquidity overall for the company. And as we can see, I did end up buying 100 more shares on Friday. Just to let y'all know, most platforms that do sell offer OTC trading. This is a Canadian stock, so you're going to have to pay around a $50 processing fee to even start an initial trade. I know I had to pay $50 on 100 shares that I bought. That's not including what the cost I had to spend at I think it was around $1.83 per share. So I end up having to spend almost $260 to make the transaction happen, and it's going to be a limit order transaction as well. So keep that in mind if you are on a platform that's offered OTC and Canadian Canadian company shares of a certain platform, they're probably going to charge you a transaction fee for the short time being um, until there's this is awfully widened, or if this goes to upgraded to a different indice. So when it comes to United States, so let me know what you think of the video. Again, thank you so much for coming and watching here. Invest in yourself, and I'm going to update as much as I can when relevant information comes along with the good food company. And let me know what you think down in the comments, and pop a like, maybe subscribe. And again, thank you so much, and remember, always invest in yourself.